friends. Today we are going to discuss principle of conservation of energy. What is the statement of principle of conservation of energy? According to the principle of conservation of energy, energy can neither be created nor can it be destroyed. It only changes from one form to other. Suppose K is the kinetic energy, U is the potential energy. Then total mechanical energy is K plus U. In this figure, consider a body of mass m falling freely under gravity from a height h above ground. We are considering 3 points A, B and C. The point A is at height h above the ground. Point B is at height h minus x from ground and point C lies on the ground. Now let us calculate the kinetic energy, potential energy and total mechanical energy at all the 3 points A, B and C. First we discuss the point A. At point A, U equal to 0. Because for any freely falling body, initial velocity is 0. So kinetic energy is half mu square equal to 0. But potential energy is equal to mgh because it is at height h above ground. So total mechanical energy or total energy K plus U, kinetic plus potential energy, that is 0 plus mgh equal to mgh. Now let us consider the point B. Consider the motion of the body from A to B. At A, initial velocity is 0, at B, final velocity is v1 and the distance travelled is equal to x. Now using the formula v square equal to u square plus 2as, we get v1 square equal to 0 square plus 2gx, that is equal to 2gx. So what is kinetic energy? Half m v1 square, half m 2gx, 2 cancel out, so it is mgx. Now what is potential energy? Since the mass is at height h minus x above ground, so potential energy equal to mg into h minus x. So total energy is K plus U, so mgx plus mg h minus x, mgx cancel out, it is mgh. Now consider the point C. At C, we have to calculate total mechanical energy. Now consider the motion of the body from A to C. At A, initial velocity is 0, at C, final velocity is v. So we can write v square equal to 0 square plus 2gh, that is equal to 2gh. So what is kinetic energy? Half mv square, half m into 2gh, that is mgh. Potential energy is equal to 0. Potential energy at point C is equal to 0. So what is total energy? It is K plus U, that is 0 plus mgh equal to mgh. So you can say whole potential energy is converted to kinetic energy as the body moves from A to C. Now let us show the graphical representation to see the variation of kinetic energy, potential energy with height above the ground. If we consider the downward motion of the body, then let us consider 3 different positions of the body. This column is height above the ground. This column is for kinetic energy. This column is for potential energy. This column is for total mechanical energy. So when the height above ground is h, half h and 0, then at height h, kinetic energy is 0, potential energy is mgh, so total energy is 0 plus mgh equal to mgh. At half the height, kinetic energy is half mgh, potential energy is half mgh, So total energy is mgh. Again, at ground level, that is at point C, the kinetic energy is mgh, potential energy is 0. So total energy is 0 plus mgh equal to mgh. In this graph, y-axis is showing energy, x-axis is showing height. Height we are taking 0, h and half h. So this is the point 0, this is the point h, and this is the point h by 2. Total energy we are getting mgh, so this is mgh, so 0 and mgh. If you plot a graph of energy, potential energy versus height, then you can see at 0 potential energy is 0 and at height h potential energy is mgh. So this is 0 0 point and this is h comma mgh point. So potential energy line is inclined upward. Similarly, for kinetic energy, we can see that when the height is 0, then the kinetic energy is 0, then the kinetic energy is mgh. When height is 0, kinetic energy is mgh. When height is h, then kinetic energy is 0. So this line is showing the trend of kinetic energy graph. Now, for total energy at every height, it is mgh. So at 0 also mgh, at h by 2 is also mgh, at h also mgh. So this dotted line is showing the total energy. So total energy remain constant, but potential energy increases with height, kinetic energy decreases with height.